This week, the week of March 27th through April 2nd, you should be working on Project 2. We are getting near the end of the semester, so you want to be sure that you are keeping up with everything as you should have been all semester, but definitely this last half will go very fast. So Project 2 is an assessment of everything you've done in chapters 4, 5, 6, and 7, or pretty much everything you've done. It does require two different things. It requires a one-page flyer and a two-page publication. So you want to think about it. It allows you a little bit of opportunity to dream about a vacation. So think about a place that you'd like to visit. As I said, it can be as close as Hot Springs or as far away as Italy. So create the one-page flyer. You can go back to chapter 1 if you need to on creating flyers for design ideas. You can also use templates, but just be sure you use them properly. You must include text, shape, an image, bulleted list, and a heading on the flyer. Include a border also on your flyer, and be sure that you're using the proper size fonts and the proper type fonts and color that can be seen. For instance, you don't want to put a dark background with a dark color font because it's harder to see that. You want to use a dark background and a light colored font, or a light background and a dark colored font. So consider all of those things that you've seen in the examples. Then, using the same destination, create a two-page publication that gives a general description of the destination, a list of 20 facts about the destination that someone may not know about that includes a special custom bullet, a table, because that's one of the things you learned in this unit, that includes 4 things you intend to see on your itinerary with the date that you intend to see them, and a general description of that sightseeing. So it would be 3 columns. One row, of course, is for the heading. You should always have a heading in the first row. Apply table formats, because we have learned how to do that as well. Include a text box with your resource in correct MLA format down at the bottom. Use master pages for your footer. Recolor and compress a graphic to create a watermark. So that should have that 2-page report should also have a watermark, but be sure that it is a watermark and not too dark to overpower the text that's on top of it. Do create one text style named Project 2 and use it for your title. And of course, don't forget to spell check and check grammar. I'm here for you just like always. If you have any questions this week, please be sure not to hesitate to ask, and get an early enough start that you haven't just thrown something together the last hour on Sunday night. Try to make this a really nice project that you can use for an example of what you know how to do in Word. Have a great week.